What's up, guys? It is your girl Linda Simmons, the Who That Teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. And real quick, guys, I wanted to come and post a dance because in memory of the wonderful Frankie Beverly. Um, I want y'all to know that New Orleans is his first love. Okay, I got that on record. If you want me to give you the record, the receipts, I will. Okay, we put him on the map. We have a special love for Frankie Beverly, but I know across the line dance community and also the extended community is celebrating him in dedication to his passing. So I wanted just to post an easy dance that everyone can do, especially those that don't line dance. So I posted another dance, but I think this dance is appropriate for those who just want to join in and celebrate his beautiful life. It's called Golden Time of Day, and I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions. If you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. And as a friendly reminder, at the end of this video, I'll post a demo so we can dance together. I want to give a shout out to everyone that takes time to leave me a comment. I want y'all guys to know I appreciate you so very much. So instructors, don't be afraid just to veer off for a little bit and just to teach something that you taught already. But instead of doing that one, doing something that is appropriate for everyone. So this dance is appropriate for everyone, especially those that don't line dance. And for the occasion, they want to participate. So instead of doing something very difficult they're not familiar with, especially the steps and terminology, this is one that they can really pick up real fast. So here we go. So it's a four-wall dance and move counterclockwise. We're going to start with just a regular cha-cha. Cha-cha up and cha-cha back. Up on the right, back on the left. Cha-cha, rock up, recover. Cha-cha, step back. Okay? Then we're going to step right, left, double right, double left. Okay? Step right, step left, double right, double left. Okay, I see some people shuffling on the right to the left. I kind of looked at California because this came out of California. And I'm kind of thinking because it's their area and the choreographer came from that area, I'm kind of taking their lead, which is just the right, a left, right, left, right, left. Some people are shuffling to the right, shuffling to the left. That's perfectly fine. It's still the same steps, okay? So let's not be too technical. Okay, so let's go back to the top with a cha-cha. 5, 6, 7, and right, left, right, rock up, recover back, left, rock back, recover, rock right, left, right, left, right, left. So that right gets two beats. 1, 2, left, 3, 4, right, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Okay. Now we're going to do a sailor right, sailor left. Sailor right, sailor left. Real simple. So if you're out trying to get everyone to participate, don't say in the general public, don't say sailor step. Just say right back, left back, okay? They don't know what a sailor step is. Then you're going to do a rocking chair. I wouldn't say rocking chair. I would say rock up, rock back on the right. Rock up, right back, right up, right back, okay? That's how I would teach it if it was out in the general public and they're just trying to, they see we doing a tribute to Frankie Beverly. They want to participate. That's the terminology I would use, okay? So cha-cha up, cha-cha back. And so let me give you, I'm gonna finish teaching it and then I'm gonna give you the terminology that I would teach someone just off the street and then someone that's in your class. I want you to know the difference, okay? So from the top, we're doing cha-cha up, rock up, recover, cha-cha back, rock back, recover. 5, 6, 7, and right, rock, up, recover, back, left, rock, back, recover, step, right, left, left, sailor right, sailor left, rock, right, rocking chair, another rocking chair, quarter turn to your left, rock for 4, right, left, that's the end of the dance. So let's do it again. A cha-cha up, rock back, recover, cha-cha left, step right, and bob. Right, left, sailor left. On the right, rock and recover, rock and chair 2 times. Again, quarter turn to your left, rock for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's do it. 5, 6, 7, cha-cha up. Cha-cha, rock up, rock recover, cha-cha, rock back, step right, and left, right, sailor left, rock recover, rock and chair 2 times. One more time, rock and chair, quarter turn and rock. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's do that again. Cha-cha up, cha-cha back, step right, step left, left, sailor left, rocking chair 2 times, on that right, up and back, and turn and rock for 4. 5, 6, 7, and cha-cha, rock up, cha-cha, rock and cover, step right, left, sailor left, rocking chair on the right 2 times, one more time, quarter turn left, rock for 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Now, if I was on in the general public, okay, and we're out performing or whatever, and everybody want to participate, this is how we call it. 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, step up. 1, 2, 3, step up, left, 1, 2, 3, step back. Step right, step left, triple right, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, right back, left back, right up, right back, right up, right back, turn to your left and rock for 4, right, left. So that's how I would teach it if it was the general public. I would not give them line dance terminology. They're not familiar with that, okay? So that's the golden time update. I just wanted to post that just real quick. I did do another one, but if you out in the public, I don't think they could do that one. That's a beautiful line dance. But just for the general public, instructors, don't be afraid just to switch up just for a minute. So check out the demo. Let's dance together. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.